back, and today we are going to look at the Naira Redesign Saga, Emefiele and Buhari, as well as the role of the present president of Nigeria in the arrest of Emefiele and why the former president was not arrested. We are going to look at the Naira Redesign Saga. What brought about the redesign? Why it came when it came? Who is responsible? Has this redesigning been done first in Nigeria or within the circle of the former president, Muhammadu Buhari? These are the things one has to know. What are the roles the president played? At a point, there was insinuation, and indeed, the present president alleged that he is being discredited, that the regime of Muhammadu Buhari is sabotaging him.
Let us hear the president himself and see what he has to say.
There was an urgent need to take control of currency in circulation and to address the hoarding of Naira banknotes outside the banking system, the shortage of clean and fit banknotes in circulation, and the increase in counterfeiting of high-denomination Naira banknotes. It is on this basis that I gave my approval for the redesign of the 200 Naira, 500 Naira, and 1,000 Naira banknotes. While this may not be apparent to many Nigerians, only 4 out of the 54 African countries printed their currencies in their countries, and Nigeria is one. Hence, a majority of African countries print their currencies abroad and import them the way we import other goods.
Thank you. We will continue and see what happened within this very political arena over the Naira Redesign Saga.
As a result, things are unfolding as soon as he was elected and sworn in as the president of Nigeria. We are going to look at what this redesign is in the life of the former president. We will look at his antecedents, the antecedents of Muhammadu Buhari, the former president, when he was a military president. We will look at the write-up of Deborah Tolu Golawale from Punch. I quote, she stated, he, that is Buhari, as he did in 1984 when he was a military head of state. The President, Major General Muhammadu Buhari, retired, introduced Naira redesign policy, which left in its wake tales of death, sorrow, and anguish, unquote. To buttress this, a human rights lawyer, Femi Falana, SAN, recalled that the redesign policy of 1984 led to the loss of lives. In 1984, the Buhari military junta changed the color of Naira. In a country of 81 million people, bank customers and other citizens were given only 2 weeks to deposit old notes and replace them with the new ones. The poor implementation of the policy caused loss of lives in many parts of the country, he said, unquote. This means during the time he was the military head of state, he redesigned the Naira and gave them new colors. This he repeated as a civilian president. Indeed, the consequences of all these has fallen on the head of Emefiele, former central bank governor. You have heard it that during the first time the administration of Muhammadu Buhari, when he was a military junta, took a redesign policy that brought death and hardship to Nigerians. But as a civilian head of state, his new redesign was questioned, especially the timing. This was during the political campaign and whereby people were to vote, but the hardship this new redesign brought was not acceptable by the people. It caused death, caused destructions, and as such, one would ask, why did he choose that very period? But however, on January 28, 2023, the president said that the decision to redesign the Naira was made to address corruption, terrorism financing, and illicit fund hoarding. This means that the reasons given as at the time they redesigned this were enumerated by the president himself. He further stated that Buhari unveils redesigned Naira notes and believed and sold the idea to Nigerians that it will enhance monetary policy objectives. This was reported in Nigerian Tribune of November 23rd, 2022. The question was also asked on the relationship between the central bank, president, and the finance minister. Was she aware? Did she approve it? What was her stand as long as this very Naira redesign policy was concerned? The finance minister, according to Sahara Reporters, New York, Sahara Reporters had reported that Nigeria's Apex Bank on Wednesday announced its plan to redesign some Naira notes, a decision that has so far received backlash nationwide. In continuation, the Central Bank of Nigeria has replied the Minister of Finance, Budget and National Planning, Zainab Ahmed, claiming that it followed due process as far as redesigning 3 notes is concerned. While politicians were busy campaigning and the people were having hardship in coming out finding what to eat during the time of this redesign, the CBN governor and the president did not take into cognizance the suffering of the people. According to Sahara Reporters, not only the people or the citizens suffered, but also the presidential candidate of APC, whose party was in power, stated, Tinubu attacks Buhari government over fuel scarcity, new Naira notes, brags of winning 2023 presidential coup despite alleged sabotage. It is the belief of the present president that he was sabotaged to ensure that his political career, political ambition will not be achieved. That was the impression. Furthermore, the presidential candidate of the ruling All Progressive Congress has sparked heated controversy among Nigerians on social media after remarking that the prevailing fuel scarcity and the recent Naira redesign by the central bank are efforts to sabotage the forthcoming general election. This was written on 26th January 2023 by Ali Jalal. The allegations of Naira shortage and the suffering of the people were collaborated by Senator Ali Ndume, a former senator and now works with the present president. There he indicated, he said, old Naira deadline, all middle-income Nigerians will suffer. Ndume wants CBN. The central bank says the old currency notes will cease being legal tender after January 31st. This brought much emotional pains on Nigerians. But however, our mission is to show that not only Emefiele that would be questioned, but also the former president needs to be questioned. But that may not be possible because of his ethnic background and all that. But he's free to say whatever he wants to say. Thank you very much. With this, we are going to look at what happened. Emefiele's arrest is coming same day the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu suspended him from office with immediate effect. This is all about the politics of this very Naira redesign policy of Muhammad Buhari during his term as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The question now is, from the whole analysis, Buhari unveils redesigned Naira notes, says it will enhance monetary policy objectives. Is he not supposed to be part of the investigation? He signed for the design. He unveiled the newly designed Naira, but yet the man who works for him has been arrested. What is your opinion? Would you prefer both Buhari and Emefiele to be questioned by the Nigerian DSS? Can Tinubu ask or request for the arrest of the former president? Can he do it? Should the Emefiele be only victim within the circle of CBN that acted wrongly against the law, against the people, or what is your opinion? Please let us know. We look forward to see your comment and the recommendations of what your opinion is over these issues. Thank you very much, and do not fail to subscribe, share our videos, give us thumbs up, and leave your comment. God will bless you. And thank you for listening. Thank you for recommending this video to all your friends and well-wishers. It is analysis. Question asked for people to understand what is going on within the society and within the political arena of Nigeria. Thank you very much until we come to you again. Bye.